Being an artist is creating, and skateboarding is the same thing. It's looking at something and thinking, how can I do this different?
The wheels are spinning to do something different.
And that's one of the creative ways that skateboarders think.
So you're always building, always trying to improve. You know, that's the same for designing something. This is Latch. This kind of caters to all of us.
What we wanted to make is something timeless. I feel like this represents that.
This glass will be something I can wear forever. That's the one great thing about working with Oakley, is knowing their technology. Besides fashion, it's function.
But seeing an idea come to life is one of the coolest things. It makes me excited for the future.